Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the side brush on your MOVA Z60 Ultra. Replacing the side brush is actually pretty easy. You need to flip your robot over, then on the bottom of it there's this side brush, and to remove it you will need to unscrew it with a screw right here, with a screwdriver, and then put a new one in. You'll need to push, like once you unscrew it, you'll need to pull it forward. What I recommend is like holding by the like wings. You can like rotate it slightly. You can see then the wings reveal a bit more once you rotate it slightly in clockwise position, and then you can pull it by holding on the wings, and once it is removed you can push a new one in and then screw it in. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.